Okay, so first make sure your paper is up and down, and then do your heart. After that, draw a little dot, a little drop at the bottom like it's a raindrop, and then fill it in. And then on one side, do a bump, and then do that same thing on the other side. And if you mess up, you can always erase if you want to. Okay. Okay. Then add a little bump on top of those. After that, draw a line from the edge of the big bumps on both sides, and then from the inside, draw a line. Then a little bit towards the, then closer to the bottom one, draw another line to the other side. Then you shade. So you shade the bottom part dark. And then you go up and make it lighter. You shade a little lighter. Then after that you go to the other side and do it. Do the same thing over there. Then, after that, you can always make it a little bit darker or one a little bit bigger. Okay. And then you draw a little triangle towards the top of your paper and not in the top of your paper, but in the top of your headphones. Then from that, draw a line down and then curve it up, and then kind of make like a little bump at the end, and bring it back and connect it. And then do the same thing on the other side. Fill those shapes in.
That's kind of what they're doing because they're in third, so they want to hurry up now. I'm okay with that, but let's say tomorrow we say half.
Then by the top of your thing, by the top of your hooked sides, you put a gray kind of shade by it.
Well, we just have to make sure that we have to go through and section it off and say we're going to get to these points. Okay?
And then up at the headphones, you shade it in up by the headphones. On the bottom half of it. Do not do the top half, otherwise it will not look right. Then you make it so then it looks like little lines. And it looks like kind of like pointed squiggly lines on the thing. In the middle of the heart, from the top point to the bottom point. And once you get done with that, you can always erase it and make it easier. And then you can, now it's time to color. See, look, you can color it however you want. I just chose the way I wanted it.